new DW777, replacing the old 707, and it's the compound Mitre slide saw. Now it's lighter than the model it replaced, weighing in at only 13 kilograms, and it's more powerful at 1800 watts. And the ergonomics of it is just easier to use. You've got all the same control features. Control your angle from the front here. If you need to lock it, just tighten up here. Not a separate button, all contained within one little control there. Still got the lock on the top to keep the saw down. Improved guard technology as well when you're cutting into your work, and to release the slide mechanism, just a handle on the top as well. So they've improved it all round. Another feature you've got here is the little guide. If you're on finish work and you want to protect your work, this guide moves up to within 4mm of the blade. So if you are finishing off with your pelmets or things like that, you're not going to damage them. But do remember, slide it out of the way before you put the saw back in. So that's a DW777.